Another perfect batch ready for extraction.
The consistency on this lot is exceptional.
Fresh honey passes through multiple ultra-fine stainless steel filters. Tiny wax particles and natural impurities are removed carefully. The filtered honey flows into enormous stainless steel settling tanks.
The honey moves through a gentle warming system inside polished steel pipes. Low temperatures reduce the thickness without
damage. The warmed honey passes through ultra-fine industrial filtration units. Microscopic particles are removed. Fresh honey samples are collected from every production batch automatically. Laboratory technicians test moisture levels, Industrial inkjet printers mark every bottle with a unique production code. Clear manufacturing and expiration dates appear in perfect alignment. High-speed vision systems inspect every bottle from every angle. Any bottle with the smallest defect is removed automatically. Approved bottles continue without slowing the production line. The cargo is secure. Applying the seal now and logging the shipment. We are clear for departure.
Gates are secure. Convoy, you are cleared for departure. Safe travels.